My husband and I tried Tomo Coffee for the first time and this was our experience. Tomo Coffee has a small stall located lagyud in front lang sa Ateneo Jacinto Nogate. So this is where exactly it's located. Simple rugged ang place pero very pleasing to the eye. This is their menu guys. So these are their different drinks na offerings and in fairness affordable lang pud siya and they also have bubble pop. So for our orders, my husband ordered the dark mocha latte and then iyahang gipasub to oat milk. So mag-add lang 50 pesos and I got their caramel macchiato. They have a tip box for stray animals and we just had to give maski gamay. Anyway, these are our orders. So this is the dark mocha latte. So this is 110 and nag-add mag 50 akong bana para ma-oat milk siya. And then I got the caramel macchiato and this is for 119 pesos. Karon guys, move on na puta sa exciting part. Tilawan namo for the first time ang among gipang order from Tomo Coffee. So anyway, for the price guys, not bad na siya, very affordable. And as for the lasa guys, in fairness ha, lami baya jud kaayo. I loved the caramel macchiato and I also tried the dark mocha latte and in fairness, even with the oat milk, lami good siya kaayo. Wala jud mi nagmahay na nagtesting mi diri og palit. By the way, Tomo Coffee also has a branch in front of San Pedro Hospital. So kato lang guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!